What up, everybody? Big Rob, back on the shop. It's been a minute. Had a lot of stuff going on, but gonna try to get back at getting these videos out there to you guys. Yeah, I think the last time I actually made a video was back in like 24 or something like that. But I'm hitting it a little bit harder in here, and I wish I would have started this a little sooner because we've had a lot of projects and a lot of work come through the shop, and I really regret not documenting, recording it, and keeping the channel going. So yeah, this is my new intro. We're back, and we got a lot of work in the shop here. Working on the shovel right now. Not much has changed since the last video on this thing. I do have the transmission out. Got all the primary setup and everything. A BDL 3-inch open belt drive. It's going to be a kick only. Working on the transmission right now. I finally got had to order basically everything, because just like the engine when I took it apart, same thing on this transmission. When I took it apart, I found issues, so had to basically replace everything. So I got all the stuff to make it a kick only here, all my starter clutch assembly and all that good stuff there. The new kicker assembly that I got at the SoCal cycle swap in Long Beach, I don't know, a while ago. But yeah, so this was an electric start bike, but we're gonna make it a kick only, so I had to buy all the innards here. And along with that, the existing release rod assembly was a little damaged, and the bearings and everything were kind of just chilling out here in the case. So I had some issues, but yeah, we're gonna get this thing back going. Hopefully I'm gonna get this well, not hopefully, I will get this transmission back together, and then hopefully we'll get it mounted, aligned, get the open belt drive set up, and finally get this thing back out on the road. Other than, I believe in the last video you saw the installation of the front end. I did also find this riser set up here at the also at the SoCal cycle swap, and then these cool Z bars that I got from the homie Don Lang. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to getting this thing back out on the road. It's been too long, way too long. So once I get this going, I'm also working on this iron head project here. It's a 76. I'm working on this with a friend of ours, Rod, over at Rod Cycles. He's got a dealership. If you're looking to buy any bikes, go see him before you go anywhere else. He's got the bike you need at the right price. But yeah, so we're working on this thing here. We just received some parts right now. The other day we received all the innards here. It was missing everything. The cover was there, so but there's no clutch basket, nothing, no adjust, nothing is there. But we were able to find that stuff online, and that stuff just arrived the other day. This is all the stuff here. I like the way it's all packaged, all nice. I'll probably do another video unboxing and opening all these parts when I do a video on this bike here. Yeah, so this one I'm going to document the process all the way through. This bike will be for sale when it is completed. Yeah, so alright, little update. Got all the new kicker assembly shit installed. Transmission is in the bike now. looking really good. Really digging the way it looks with the kicker. That swap meet fine, working out great. So now we're going to go ahead and get the BDL, which is buried under all this shit right here. We'll get the BDL inner primary on that, so we can get the trans aligned to the engine, and then we'll get the all the transmission bolts all cinched down. And yeah, so that's where we're at right now. There's a little update. She a kicker now. She's a kicker only now. What's going on around here at Back Alley Cycles recently, and yeah, like I said, I want to try to get some more of these videos and keep them coming. Yeah, all right, cool, we'll see you in the next one.